Hi everyone, this is part two of my video for Friday or day 5 of a Facebook challenge on how to create an opt-in page or a lead magnet that is going to have clients say, I need that. So I apologize. It is later in the day than I normally do recordings, and I'm feeling a little sluggish. Maybe I need to get some coffee. So here we go. I need to tell you that I missed one thing in Mailerlite in the first video. So for those of you who saw my first video, you're probably like, but where do I put my opt-in? Here you go. So I'm going to go back to all the forms because we'll go back to where we started. So I created a form called SEO mistakes, and I'm going to hit edit. Okay. You'll notice my girl is gone. I moved her somewhere else, but we need to step through this again because the form is fine. I feel like I should be singing the Jeopardy song. Okay, here we go. So under the thank you, I put a link, and I'll hit edit so you can see it. This link, and I like to underline my links, and I'll just, you'll see that it's going to a particular place on webluminary.com, and WP Content's pretty much where WordPress puts your things. So now that I've covered that, I'm just linking directly to a PDF. The other thing you can do is link directly to a YouTube channel or a YouTube video. So that's what I recommend. I don't recommend that you put the video in your website. I recommend that you host it in YouTube and just provide a link. And then make your YouTube video what they call unlisted. And in unlisted, it will only work for people who have a link to your video. So that way you can kind of ensure that you get the email address of the people who are looking at your video. So here we go to the form. And I'm on the back end of my website, and now I'm on the front end of my website. So here it is. I put my girl here instead, and then I put the form here. It just stretched it out otherwise. So I hope you know how to add an image to your website. I'm assuming you do. And here's the form, and it says, give me the checklist. And I'm going to show you how to incorporate Mailerlite. Let me flip back here. So I'm going to go to my dashboard. So if you have a WordPress website, this should look familiar to you. And I have a Mailerlite, I don't know, menu item, I guess. But let me show you how I got that. So Mailerlite, and I'm assuming this is, I'm pretty sure this is how it's going to work in Weebly or Wix, is that you can put in like a, what they call a gadget or get, I don't know. But I will look for the particular Wix because I know at least one person here in the challenge is using Wix. I'll look for the Wix instructions. So in order to get this Mailerlite menu item, I had to import a plugin, and I'm just going to show it to you real quick so you know what it's called. Official Mailerlite sign-up forms. So this is how you can embed the forms on Mailerlite into your website. So now I'm just, upload the plugin, install it. I'm not going to walk you through that. So if you do your own WordPress website, you should know how to do that. And I have my form already here. So, but let's pretend I don't. I'm going to hit add new. Forms created in Mailerlite. So I already created my form in Mailerlite. I can create a form here in WordPress using the Mailerlite, I don't know, walkthrough, whatever, in WordPress, but I prefer to do it in Mailerlite and then bring it in. It just makes, I think the user experience for me is better. It's easier for me to do it that way. So you'll see here that all of the forms that I have in Mailerlite, which you're not even really familiar with them, but here they are. I can add that to the website and hit save. I'm not going to hit save because I've already got one. And then we're going to go back. No, saved anyway. Okay, just deleted that. And I'm going to show you. So you can add it with shortcode, if you know what that is. Or if you have Elementor, I'm not sure if Beaver Builder has this. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, the other thing you can do is add the HTML. Which is here. You can hit copy to clipboard and all this junk will go over and then your form will appear. But I'm going to show you what I did. Going to my form builder, which I love. And here is, it doesn't show in the preview of the form builder, but I'm going to add it again. So Mailerlite has a widget. I could add the form twice if I wanted to do, and there you go. Here's the forms. I'm going to delete this because that would look stupid. And that's it. I added some text. It does look better if you, because the form is like this, like a portrait picture, it does look better to have text over here and then have your form here, right? So let me show you again what it looks like. Your company's awesome, but is your website bringing in customers? And she looks kind of sad. And I think I'm going to move this around again. But here's my form. So let's test this out. I need to get out of preview. Because I'm an administrator, this black thing shows up, but I can ignore that. And let's see, I'm going to just have it send to my Yahoo. Give me my checklist, and I'm going to show you what happens. I don't like that. I'm going to go back and change that. Let me show you where. You have successfully joined our website. Success message. Thank you. Please look in your inbox email inbox for your, what do you call it? Confirmation email. So now I've changed it. So all I have to do is hit refresh on here, but right now I did get an email. Here we go. Hello, Laura Bernie Simpson. Did you sign up to receive SEO guide from Web Luminary? Laura B. Simpson at yahoo.com. Please confirm that this is the correct email address to receive your guide. So I'm going to hit confirm. This is what's called a double opt-in, and I know it looks ridiculous, but it's actually required in Canada that someone not only subscribe to something, but they say, yes, I meant to subscribe. Oh, so anyway, thank you. One last step, click here and you'll be directed to your free SEO checklist. So here we go. And there it is. So this is an old one I did last year. It's a little bit too much, I think. I'm going to change it, but that's it. I have successfully showed you everything you need to do to incorporate this sign-up form on your website, but please go in the Facebook group if you have any questions, and have a great day. I think that this is going to really make a big difference for a lot of people. Take care.